Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Indicators change color based on pH shifts in equilibrium. Let's quickly solve why this solution turns red when the pH drops. You got this! First, remember that a decrease in pH means the concentration of hydronium ions is actually increasing. This extra hydronium acts as a stress on the chemical equilibrium of our indicator. According to Le Chatelier's principle, the system will shift to the left to consume that added hydronium. This shift moves the reaction toward the side containing the red acid form. This shift increases the concentration of HC, turning the solution red. That makes option A our final winner. Boom, we nailed it! Well done! Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid a rush and watch signs. Trust given data and check steps.